mean, the Financial Times did some data analysis which shows that by 2030, and it will be frozen until 2031, the amount at which you start repaying your student loan will converge with minimum wage.
Yeah.
And that to me is it's a breakage of the promise of the fundamental promise behind the loan system was you only repay at the point at which you benefit financially.
Yeah. Right, so if you graduate and you go into a higher paying job, so you pay it back. But if you're paying it back the same way if you just had a minimum wage job, then what's the point?
And you could imagine a scenario in which actually your student loan, if it does converge with minimum wage, I imagine government won't let this happen. I don't know how you could let that happen, but it would take some below minimum wage because of what they're then having to pay, or it could.
Right.
And so I think that's obviously an unsustainable scenario. I think the interest rate is interesting that's got a lot of attention, and it seems to me it's got a lot of attention because it's impacting a lot of MPs, journalists.
Yes, there's a reason why we're doing this now.
There's been less talk about the people who'd be on minimum wage and potentially repaying their student loan at the same time.